everyone, Daniel Webster here from Pocketnow.com, and today I'm going to show you myPlayer for your Windows mobile device. And what this program is going to allow you to do is tie directly into Hulu and other internet online broadcasting stations. So we can just go into that right now, wait for it to load. Okay, so here we are on the main page, and this is BBC iPlayer. So if I click on one of these little links here, it'll actually bring me to one of the stations. So if I wanted to click on one of these, the only downfall of this program is that it requires Core Player, so you will have to purchase that or acquire that some way. And it will automatically launch the Core Player, and it will begin playing the video clip. So I'm just going to pause this right now and go back into the program. So we can also go down to View and look at Hulu, and there's a couple other stations over here. We can go to the Family Guy. Once it's loaded, we have a page here for Family Guy, so we can pick different episodes, and these are full episodes. So if I wanted to click on this one right here, the one about steroids. And again, it will launch the Core Player and start buffering your video. But it plays pretty well, and actually it's pretty high quality. As you can see, you can also play it in the full screen. I'm just going to pause this because it's quite loud. And go back to the program. I'm going to go to some TV stations, so if I wanted to look at live TV, I can go here and see the full index. And as you can see, it gives a large array for many different countries in the world. So this program is a universal program. It looks like we have 539 stations in the US. Unfortunately, some of these stations do not work because some of the links are dead at this point, but a lot of them do still work, so we can just go into some of those. Okay, and here we have all the stations in the United States, so there's quite a few to choose from. A lot of them are religious and news broadcast stations, but there are some pretty good, interesting ones as well. We'll go to View, and you can also see live radio. So if you want to manage your radio stations, you can do that. You can pick different radio stations from here and also add different links if you wanted to. So we'll just click Done. Go back to Menu and go into some of the options here. So this is where you can allow your Core Player to be accessed, and you can specify which program you want the application to stream from. So if you want it to stream from this specified application, or you can configure stream settings individually, you can do that. So you can also change the stream speed. So right now it's set to 3G. You can also change it to Wi-Fi if you want. Change the font size. And I like to keep it at normal because it keeps everything aligned perfectly. You can change the quality of your thumbnail. So when we saw the pictures of on the Family Guy, we can change the quality of that. And when we have all of our settings selected, we can just click Save. If I click Menu again, I can also change the way that the interface is set up. So I can either have it on a touch flow, which is the streaming, which will allow me to flick scroll through things, or I can change it to the standard. And here we are in the standard, and it has actually a little bar on the side, scrolling bar that we can scroll down, and it will select it. It's not nearly as fluid as the touch flow 3D type style. So I'm just going to go back to Home. So this is myPlayer, and I will post a link on Pocketnow.com as to how to get this. This program actually is free, but unfortunately you will need a copy of Core Player for your Windows mobile device. And I will also post a link on how to get Core Player. Thanks for watching.